Today's message is by Archangel Michael. My beloved ones, today I come to remind you of the importance of patience and presence in your life. Everything has its time, space, and designated place. Each element in the universe moves at its own rhythm, and it's crucial to recognize that these rhythms cannot be forced or accelerated. When you try to hasten things, you often enter a state of chaos, which can lead to results opposite to what you desire. There's no need to rush or get involved in meaningless discussions. It is not beneficial to press situations or force their development. Instead, take your time. This moment in your life is essential for your growth and well-being. Focus on today, anchor your being in the present, and allow the path that belongs to you to naturally flow towards you. Remember, patience is a virtue that will guide you towards more rewarding experiences and results. Your greatest power lies in the here and now. Cultivate your being in the present, and watch how the path destined for you unfolds before you, leading you towards the opportunities and blessings the universe has in store for each of you. Follow your path firmly, Archangel Michael. Now let's make this decree together. Breathe. I say your name, child of the universe and bearer of divine light. Decree at this sacred moment that my life unfolds in perfect harmony with the rhythm of the cosmos. I accept each phase of my journey with serenity and confidence. I commit to living in the present, nourishing my being with patience and love. I recognize that every situation, every challenge, is an opportunity to grow and evolve. In the divine flow of time, I find my strength and my purpose. I trust that everything I need comes to me at the perfect time and in the perfect way. I am aligned with the divine will and open my heart to the infinite blessings of the universe. So it is, and so it shall be. Amen. Beautiful message and decree from Archangel Michael. I send a hug to your being. I am Zoe. Voice for We Are Positive worldwide. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We love you very much. We are with you at every step. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of light and eternal love. We are your beacon of light on the path. Thank you. Thank you, thank you.